Hello everyone, welcome back to in this session. Here you are going to learn border radius and a specific each corner. How we can control the every corner for a border and how we can control the height and width we can see here in very quickly. For this I am taking a very simple and easy example for to applying this border to a particular paragraph tag. Let's see how it would be. Okay, so everything I'm removing here from the style from our previous classes. So remove, and this one also I'm taking the removing the class also. So this is the paragraph 1 and this is the hello is the paragraph 2. So plain text we have added here. So let's refresh. So these things are going to be displayed. Now see how simply we are making like border radius controlling tags. So let's see, I'm creating an ID for like right corners, and we can say that the ID name is corners. Okay, one board like one simple thing I have taken. My ID is corners 1 and open and end braces. Inside I am adding a property called border radius. This border radius you simply observe. This border radius you simply observe here 15px. First 15px I am taken. First 15px I am taken. Like you have to take a space. And second I'm taking like a 50px. You can change all these sizes, like 4 shapes I'm giving here. Like a square box is having 4 border like radius, like edges. So 4 things I'm taking, like 30px and 5px for one side. Like 4 different sizes I have given here. Correct? 4 different sizes. Like you may observe here for the radius sessions, first value appears for top left corner. Top left corner, the first like 15px which I have specified here, and the second one to applying for the like the value for top right corner. The clockwise it will be rotate. The clockwise it will be rotate from left to right. So left top it is first value, and second value is right top corner, and the third value is bottom right, and the fourth value is applies to bottom left. So the clockwise it is rotating for the 4 dimensions. So let's see very quickly. I have given for border for this radius, and this class I'm going to applying like this ID I'm going to applying for p tag. Where is the p tag? Here my p tag ID equal to. So take a copy of this ID. Take a copy of this ID. So here ID equal to, yeah, paste over here. Save it. Reload the page. So just a second. ID equal to here the corners 1. So the corners 1, copy the corners 1 we are taken here the border radius property, and ID equal to corners 1 we are applying here. Correct? So let me save it and try to open in another browser, that is a Google Chrome. You just whenever some styles, if it is not coming properly, you have to apply for some another particular like a browser. You have to check with the another browser. You will get 4 borders of the radius we have applied there, but the output we are not able to see in here. Like something we are doing like let me write like a border to apply. The border we are applying, whereas there is a no border, no background. These are the things are there, no? Let me check. Border background, border color we can put, and border background. Where is the background? border, background color, or else we can simply say that background. Yeah, background, the property also we can take, and here we can specify some any of web color. You can go through the Google and hit color wheel. There you can get the some colors. I have a simple color I am taking here. Yes, this is the color code. Just save it and reload the page. Yeah, background color is applied. Now you see the border, how it is applied, like corners in the left, left top, bottom left, and the right top and the right. See how it is displaying. And also you can apply for more properties, that is like a padding. For to get like a 20px of padding I'm taking, and something like width I'm reducing to like height and width also we need to prepare here property with the values, like so width equal to it's a 200px I'm fixing as you wish to take it. So the height also I am fixing the property around 150px is enough for me. So save this. See, a group of properties I'm taking and making into a particular class. So wow, how the box is coming. Height and width we have changed now. And if you want to make it reduced boxes and a little bit height down or width more, width low, so such way you can make it more property boxes as your wish. And if any corner you wish to change like a look, you can accordingly you can change these radius values respective which corner you want to change the value. Focus on that, and there you can try to apply the changes of the information. And see, I'm taking a single box only, like the same ID. If I applied for one more paragraph, save it, refresh, what happens? One more paragraph box it is here. And if I'm taken like the same p tag into multiple times, like I'm creating more boxes, save it and run it. See, more boxes. No, I don't want to create like a same color. If I wish to create one more ID, you just take it and hit one more ID here, like corners 2, you take it as in a 2. Just simply for the next one I'm changing the color into like somewhat a new color. Which one will take new color? I may take like write the color name directly. It's yellow. Yellow. Okay, so YELLOW. Save it. No, corners 2 we have to change into here. I'll change. Yes, class name also we need to change. So reload now. Yes, see, this is the color yellow. And I told you to prepare for four borders. No, if you don't want to put like 4 borders, you can take like a 1 or the first left top or second right, or this way also you can apply only the some particular area border. If you wish to apply, you can apply. For this, what you need to do, like a first border top left is not required, the second you require means 0px you can put there and take space, and there you can put like some around 50 or something, wherever you require. The size of the position you wish to add there, you can add it. Such way you can control 4 border radiation positions. Alright, I wish you will enjoy more in this lecture by putting some e-commerce portal designs or cards presentation or any images with the border presentation. You will enjoy more and more for making more beautiful of your website. Thank you. We'll catch you in next lecture.